One of the more common questions we get at WWGOA is, I've got a great table saw with a marginal fence on it. What can I do about that? If that applies to you, Harvey tools and the Big Eye fence might be the solution to your problems. There are a lot of really cool things going on here. Let's have a look at that. First off, just look at the glide. There are bearings here in the head of the fence, helping it really move smoothly. When I lock the fence, it locks here and here, so it's really got a good bite on the table saw. Make sure it doesn't move while you're using it. One of the things that you may run into is that you want to make a cut, move away from it and do something else, and then come back to that same spot. That's what these flip stops are all about. So I can change their position, and let's say I'm making a cut here. I can get the stop against the fence, lock it in place. Now if I leave, I can come back and I can perfectly duplicate that cut. If I need to bypass it, I can flip that and bypass it. So that flip stop is a very, very cool feature. When you are dialing in where you want to go, I really like the window here. The indexer in there, the cursor is very close to the tape measure. So as a result, you don't get parallax. Parallax is when if I look from here, I get one measurement. If I look from here, I get another measurement. With this setup, it makes it very simple to read the tape measure and make sure that that cursor is exactly where it needs to be for an accurate cut. As you're getting close to where you want to be on that, really nice feature is this adjustment. So rather than gross movements here, I can do fine adjustments here to really sneak up on the right spot and lock the fence in place. One of the things I run into every once in a while, especially if I'm cutting something like plastic laminate, P-lam, is that it wants to slip under the fence. Being able to flip the fence like this allows me to bring the P-lam here so that it's not sliding under there and getting away from me. And of course, the other thing we can do is come to the other side of the blade and we can take advantage of all of those same features on the left side of the saw blade. So if you fall into that category where you're looking to upgrade the fence on your table saw, have a look at that Harvey setup. The Big Eye fence might be just what you're looking for.